Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. So, today we're going to practice something very useful, English for online meetings. Because let's be honest, a lot of us attend meetings, but sometimes we are not sure what to say. So, this is what we are going to cover today. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We are doing this 30-day shadowing series, and today is day 7. If you have been practicing daily, amazing, keep going. And if you are new, you can start right here. You can speak along with me or simply repeat after me. Try to focus on the sentence's flow, how the tone changes, and how naturally things are said. Let's imagine you are in an online meeting. Listen carefully and just copy me. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me clearly? I hope my audio is clear. Please let me know if there are any issues. Thank you all for joining. Let's get started. I'll quickly walk you through the agenda. We have a few points to cover today. Let's begin with the first topic. I would like to share a quick update. Let me start with the main point. Does anyone want to add something here? Feel free to share your thoughts. That's a good point. I completely agree with that. Let me add something to this. I see your point, but I have a slightly different view. Let's look at this from another perspective. Can you please explain that again? I didn't quite catch that. Could you speak a little slower? Sorry, I got disconnected for a moment. Can someone repeat the last point? Let's stay on track. We're running a bit short on time. Let's move to the next point. I think we are going in the right direction. That sounds like a good plan. Let's finalize this. Are we all on the same page? Does everyone agree with this? Any concerns or questions? If not, we'll move forward with this. I'll take responsibility for this task. Let me handle this part. We can discuss this in detail later. I'll share the details after the meeting. Let's connect again tomorrow. I'll send you an update by evening. Please keep me posted. Thanks for bringing this up. It was really helpful. I appreciate your input. Let's wrap this up. We've covered all the points. Is there anything else we need to discuss? If not, we can close the meeting. Thank you everyone for your time. It was a productive discussion. Looking forward to our next meeting. Have a great day ahead. Before we end, let me quickly summarize. We agreed on the main action points. I'll share the notes shortly. Please review them once you receive them. Let me know if anything needs to be updated. I'll follow up on this next week. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks again for your time and effort. Goodbye, everyone. Good job, everyone. And one of my students asked me this question: Ma'am, we do shadowing, we repeat everything, but after some time we forget the sentences. How do we remember them? And honestly, a lot of learners feel this way. But here's the thing: you're not supposed to remember every sentence exactly. Shadowing is not about memorizing lines like a robot, it's about helping your brain get used to how English sounds and flows. So even if you forget the exact sentence, your brain is still learning. Instead of trying to remember everything, focus on patterns, not full sentences. For example, instead of remembering, I was about to call you, just learn I was about to plus verb, the sentence pattern. Now you can say, I was about to sleep, I was about to leave, I was about to message you. See, much easier. Second, use it in your real life because if you don't use it, you lose it. You will forget it. Talk to your friends, your kids, or even yourself. Third, don't just watch once and move on. Come back to the same video after 1 day, then after 3 days, then again later. That's how your brain actually remembers things. And one more thing, think about songs. You don't try to memorize them, but after listening a few times, you remember them naturally. English works the same way. So relax a little. If you remember just 2 or 3 useful sentences and actually use them, that's already great progress. Now tell me honestly, do you try to memorize everything or do you actually use what you learn? All right, that's it for today. And if you're practicing daily, you're doing something really powerful. Keep going. Like this video, share it with someone who needs this, and comment day 7 done. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Day 8 is coming tomorrow. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.